अगर आपके बाल बने हुए हों, आपकी आईब्रोज बनी हुई, आप खुश लिबास हों, यू फील लाइक यू कैन टेक ओवर द वर्ल्ड। लेकिन ख़ास तौर पे बाल, अगर आपके बाल अच्छे नहीं लग रहे तो ऐसा लगता है योर क्राउन इज़ नॉट देयर, एंड दैट्स ट्रू फॉर ऑल द वुमेन। लेकिन ख़ास तौर पे अगर मैं अपने इर्द गिर्द देखती हूँ इन माई टेलीविज़न करियर, इट वॉज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कि हमें अपना नेचुरल हेयर टेक्स्चर को जब तक हम टीज़ नहीं करेंगे, कलर नहीं कराएंगे, ब्लो ड्रायर्स नहीं कराएंगे, उसको स्टाइल नहीं करेंगे, तो इट वॉज़ ऑलमोस्ट थॉट कि आप कैमरा पे नहीं आ सकते। Today I see a turn shift, like पूरा का पूरा ट्रेंड बदल गया है। If women have and if girls have curly hair, they are flaunting it, they are embracing it. आप मुख्तलिफ routines देख सकते हैं, new products have come in the market that allow you to play and to flaunt and to carry your curls with confidence. आजकल के ट्रेंड्स क्या हैं, और ख़ास तौर पे everything comes at a price. ये जो स्टाइलिंग आप कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो हीट ट्रीटमेंट्स हों, केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स हों, they do a lot of damage. I speak to anyone and people are complaining about hair fall. So let's get all these queries answered by the guru herself, someone we all look up to and is a institution, is an authority in this domain in Pakistan. She is of course also the chairwoman and the managing director of Toni & Guy South Pakistan. हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं सईदा मानवीवाला। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सईदा जी।
Hello, walaikum salam.
I love the grace and the white, and I know that you've made it your own signature style कि आपका workwear is going to be white.
जी.
Mashallah. Saida ji, curls, are they back in fashion?
Big time. I mean, it's all about the texture that you are born with. So I would say that, you need to embrace it, not fight it, and work with the type of hair you have.
Sahi.
And there's a lot of things that you can do today with curly hair. The way it's cut. So there's a science behind everything, right? So cutting curly hair is an art. It's not like cutting straight hair. It's very different. So you really have to know what you're doing, and it's a lot of visual stuff. So it's like when you pick up a paintbrush and you know which strokes you're putting where, you know where to cut what.
Please tell me one thing कि मैं अक्सर ये सोचती हूँ, और आप जैसे टोनी एंड गाय को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, यू नो ऑल द लीडिंग ब्रांड्स इन हेयर केयर। सईदा जी, ये सारे के सारे क्योंकि रिसर्च एंड डेवलप होते हैं इन यूरोप, इन द वेस्ट, आई फील दैट दे आर मेंट फॉर कॉकेशियंस, they are meant for hair texture which is very different from ours, the color pigment which is very different from ours. तो ये कितना applicable होता है? मुझे कभी कभार लगता है कि there is a disconnect.
नहीं, देखिए, it's easier to work on Caucasian hair because it's finer, number one, and it's the density is also much thinner. However, I think the market for hair is huge, and in the West they develop a different side for the East. Okay, so while their shampoos and conditioners and styling products, various products, they are categorized for different hair types and different, I would say, hair cultures. One of the things, I can only talk about my brand. One of the things we do as a brand is we, in fact, on our images have many different faces.
The diversity is there.
Absolutely. It's, it's Caucasian, it's very Eastern, it's very Japanese, it's very, let's say, so South African. So there's representation, and there's a lot of men's as well.
Okay.
So I think we've realized now, or the hairdressing industry globally has realized, you need to cater for every type and every climate.
Very true. लेकिन मुझे बताएं कि I notice that a lot of people, when they are abroad, they never complain of the kind of scalp sensitivity जो हमारे यहाँ हो रहा है। ये हमारे वेदर की वजह से है, स्ट्रेस की वजह से, डाइट है, इज़ इट आवर जीन्स? क्योंकि आप नॉर्मली देखें बाहर लोगों को ये मसाइल नहीं हो रहे। एंड देन आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि अगर हम कहते हैं कि शैम्पूज़ को सल्फेट फ्री होना चाहिए, कलर को अमोनिया फ्री होना चाहिए, देन व्हाई इज़ इट दैट लीडिंग ब्रांड्स स्टिल कंटिन्यू टू यूज़ दीज केमिकल्स?
Because some of the products, color products, don't last as long. Ammonia-free color doesn't last more than about a week and a half or 2 weeks max. Now the client doesn't always want to come back, so you have to give that option. When you talk about our hair being better in other countries, it's the weather. Okay, now if you know, that your hair will remain very nice from November, December, January, February, and a bit of March. Uske baad to there is no compromise on hair, right? Now, once again, you need to use the right products for the right climate.
True.
And you need to know what to use and what not to use and not overuse. So I think these are all professional guidances that you need. It's not about selling a product.
मुझे बताएं कि हाल ही में जब हमने देखा कि the purchasing power has declined massively, people have tightened their purse strings, और सबसे पहला जो hit लिया है वो यकीनन हमारे salon budgets ने लिया है. A lot of people have gone back to practices जो DIY हैं कि जी प्रोटीन कराने की क्या ज़रूरत है, घर में दही अंडा लगा लेते हैं, या फिर लेट्स मूव टू बॉक्स कलर्स. डू यू थिंक आर यू नोटिसिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ कंज्यूमर ट्रेंड?
I would not say I do, because I honestly believe that if you have the best experience in the salon with your hair coming out the way it should be, in terms of, you see, it's also about, like you said with the blow dry, the heat that's used. You've got to be careful that you're not scorching your scalp. It's got to be on your hair, not your scalp, right? You need to put products in there to protect damage from heat. You need, even if you don't blow dry your hair every day or every second day or every week, you still need a UV protection from the sun. It's so light, it's so easy. In fact, honestly, my hair has become better over the years. Yeah, obviously it's not
I
as
love
thick
that
as
fact because you're busting the myth. Because कई लोगों को लगता है मैं किसी भी खातून के बालों की तारीफ करूं, वो कहती पहले देखे होते, आज से 10 साल पहले अच्छे थे, अब तो ख़राब हो गए. So it's a myth. Your hair is going to be as beautiful, as much care as you would give it to.
Absolutely.
कि जितना आप अपने खाने पीने का, रेस्ट का, ट्रीटमेंट्स का ख्याल रखेंगे, वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. This is about giving love to yourself. Thank you so much, सईदा जी.
Thank you.
I wish कि इंशाल्लाह ताला हम एक और सेगमेंट ज़रूर जल्दी रखें, because you are such an institution. I do someday very soon want to also talk about कि हमारी जो care givers हैं, हमारे जो stylists हैं, they are so much better than around the world, and that is because of pioneers like Saida ji. We'll talk about that some other day.